This tutorial shows how to design a feature grid section commonly used in landing pages, fully created using Photoshop custom shapes. Start with a wide canvas in Photoshop. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw multiple rounded square shapes, arranging them in a clean grid layout. Assign each shape a slightly different background shade to separate features visually. Now select small icon custom shapes and place one inside each square, centering them carefully. Below each icon, add a short feature title using the Type tool. Increase spacing so the layout feels breathable. To make one feature stand out, slightly enlarge its shape and apply a soft outer glow. Zoom out in preview, the grid